In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted file or folder in OneDrive. We've all been there, that terrifying moment when you realize you've mistakenly deleted something important. But don't worry, OneDrive's built-in recycle bin feature can be your lifesaver. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Go to accountmicrosoft.com and enter your credentials to access your Microsoft dashboard. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you'll need to set one up, but most users will find they already have one connected to their email or Windows device. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Apps launcher. It looks like a little grid of squares. This launcher gives you quick access to all the Microsoft services you frequently use, including OneDrive. Now, from the list of apps, click on OneDrive. This takes you straight to your OneDrive storage where you usually keep all your files. OneDrive is not just a storage tool, it's your virtual filing cabinet, always there for you whenever you need to access your documents, photographs, and much more. The next step is to find the recycle bin. Typically, you'll see it on the left-hand sidebar. By clicking on the recycle bin, you enter an area where your deleted files are temporarily stored, similar to the recycle bin or trash on your computer. Contrary to what some might think, deleting from OneDrive doesn't mean your files are gone instantly. It's a bit like clearing out a drawer but stashing it away elsewhere just in case. Now that you're in the recycle bin, look for the files or folders you want to recover. You can select multiple items by holding down the Control key as you click, making it easier if there are several items you need back. Once you've selected the files or folders, locate the Restore button along the top or right-click on your selected items and choose Restore. The magic happens now. Your selected items will be restored to their original locations within OneDrive. This feature is incredibly helpful for keeping your workspace uncluttered but recoverable if you make a mistake. Remember though, time is of the essence here. Deleted files and folders remain in the OneDrive recycle bin for a limited duration, often 30 days. A word of caution, if you've already permanently deleted files from the OneDrive recycle bin, they are irretrievable. So always double check before you perform that final delete or set up automated backups in advance. Hopefully this guide helps you breathe a bit easier the next time you accidentally delete a file in OneDrive. Keep this video bookmarked as a handy reference and feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.